Hello, this is Jennifer from The Good Life, and I wanted to make a quick video for you guys and let you know what my next project is going to be. We are going to be working on the owl wreath, and I will have a link down in the description box below for you guys to check it out. You can click on that and it'll take you right to the wreath that I will be working on. And it doesn't have to be that exact wreath, it can be any wreath. So if you decide you don't want to do that one, there's a couple of other really cute choices for you, and you can search Amazon for those. But that's what I'm going to be doing, so I'm super excited to start this new project. I love starting new things and completing projects and then starting a new project, so I'm pretty excited about it. The first video, I will be opening the package and telling you what's in it. I've had a few requests about doing that kind of a video before I start the tutorial. I also finally got a tripod for my phone because I use a phone for my videos, and I've been using my hand as a tripod. So hopefully this series of tutorials will include a more detailed step-by-step on how to put the wreath together. So I'm super excited about that, and I will link the tripod below and I'll show you when I get it. Hopefully it works out and I like it. So if you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell for any of my upcoming videos. And question of the day, because I'm going to start doing that. What is your favorite dessert? My favorite dessert is, without a doubt, chocolate. It's my favorite, and I would love to know what your favorite dessert is. So please add in the comments down below what your favorite dessert is. I can't wait to see all of those. I can't wait to start my new project, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!